Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab P2S Extruder motor overload HMS 0300-0900-0002-0001 clog and fix guide. Fix 1. Check for a nozzle or extruder clog. Heat the nozzle to your filament's printing temperature and try unloading the filament from the printer. If the filament won't unload, remove the hot end and clear any stuck filament. Then perform a cold pull if needed to remove debris inside the nozzle. Fix 2. Inspect the extruder gears. Power off the printer and open the extruder assembly. Now remove any broken filament pieces or plastic dust caught between the gears. Rotate the gears by hand to ensure they move freely before reassembling. Fix 3. Check the filament path. Make sure the filament spool rotates smoothly. Inspect the PTFE tube for sharp bends, kinks, or obstructions. Replace damaged filament and avoid using warped or oversized filament that may bind inside the extruder. Fix 4. Reduce extrusion resistance. Dry moist filament before printing, then lower the maximum volumetric speed flow rate in your filament profile if the error occurs during high-speed printing. If printing with the top glass installed, ensure the PTFE tube isn't being pressed or pinched. Fix 5. Check the hot end installation. Remove and reinstall the hot end. Make sure it is fully seated and locked into place. Now verify there is no filament trapped between the hot end and extruder. Fix 6. Restart and test. Restart the printer after clearing the jam and load the filament again. Then run a manual extrusion test from the printer's control screen before starting a new print. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.